Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Welcome to J Trace TV, where we discuss all stock related contents and much more. Hope everybody's having a blessed morning. Kato, J, I see you in the building. I ain't gonna lie, I fell back to sleep. I kind of overslept, so I do apologize for getting in a little late, but I'm in the building now, man, so I'm good to go. I had to brew up some coffee and we good to rock and roll. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the chart since we are running a little bit behind, and we're gonna get everything started since the Joe data's already came out. So let's go ahead and jump right into the charts, guys. Let's go. Trey, I see you in the building. I forgot to turn my thing. Hey Trey, give me another holler to make sure you're good to go, boss. Want to make sure my little comment thing pops up. Give me a shout out, Trey, to make sure we're good to go. Give me a little test, boss. But yeah, I see you in the building. Shout out to Trey. Shout out to Kato J. Shout out to y'all. So yeah,
Trey says, yeah, we good.
gotcha, boss. Gotcha. Yeah, so we good to go. So yeah, right now, guys. Right now, I'm definitely just keeping this on watch to see if we're gonna get that push right back up to this channel, kind of like a channel magnet. So I just want to see if these buys are gonna hold to the point that we're gonna get this indicated crossover from the 9 and the 20 back above this 50 here to give us that crossover that we need, so we can pretty much see someone to play like this when you get that indicated crossover back up towards the upside. So I just want to see if these buys are going to actually step in and actually start to reverse the play back on up towards the upside, since we are coming back off these lows from this 548 to 550 reclaim, to see if we can hold and start the reverse ride back on up towards the upside, where we can see pretty much a red to green move. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and extend this channel off to the right hand side. I'm gonna extend that over because I want to see, can these buyers actually push towards the side. Extend to the right. There we go. There we go. So I want to see, can we get those buys to step back in again? Take this off too. Yeah, towards this channel here. So I'm gonna keep this on watch to see, can we get the build up back up towards the upside. So definitely. So Trey, how's your day going, boss? How's your trading going? So right now, I'm trying to see, can we hold this trend line and build an uptrend, an ascending triangle back up towards the upside. So I want to see, can we get that indicator crossover back up towards the upside. So I'm keeping on watch as we do pull back to see, can we hold this trend line back on up towards the upside, back up towards the 552s, the 554s, and on up. So I'm keeping on watch to see, can he hold this key level, to see if these buyers are finally back in motion. So I want to keep my eyes peeled on that.
Trey says, I'm good at work, can't really trade, just taking notes.
Gotcha, boss. I got you. Okay, cool. So right now, matter of fact, let me take a look at the. Cause you know what I didn't post, it was the Jones data. Let me take a look to see what's going on with that too as well. Let me also check CNBC to see if they're saying anything on it. Let's see. Atlanta Fed president. No. Officials can't wait for inflation to hit 2% cutting before cutting. I don't see anything about the Jones data though. I don't see anything about them speaking about the Jones. Let me see if I can.
Tom Sun says, hello Jay, how are you?
What's up, Toms? Man, long time no see, boss. I'm doing good. Hope you're having a blessed one, man. Doing good, and you, boss. So yeah, I'm about to check the Jolts data. Let me check it and see what we got. Let me see if I can bring it up real quick. As far as Jolts data. All right, here we go. What did we get today? What did we get today as far as the Jolts?
Tom Sun says, I was in holidays.
Oh man, I hope you had a good one, boss. All right. I'll say it's okay. They said openings was a little change at 7.7 million on the last business day of July. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported today over the month. Highs changed little at 5.5 million. Total separation increased to 5.4 million within separation. Quits 3.3 million, and layoffs and discharges 1.8 million changed little. This release includes an estimate of the number and rate of job opening hires and separations for the total non-farm sector by industry and by establishments class size. So let's see. It's showing that it had a little change, but I'm not seeing anything. All right, let's see. Changed a little. want to see. I wonder if they posted it to Dex and them page too. So right now we are getting these bulls. Look like we are getting some. We are getting a little bit bullish again. So look like we're trying to hold back over this 552, 552.50 range. So let me see if we can hold over these areas.
How was your summer trading?
It was a little slow, but we had some, we had some good runs. And I was anticipating that the summer was going to be a little bit slow due to people going on vacation and not being in the market. But everything is back to normal now, so the market should be soon heating up. September is one of the most difficult months that we do have, and going into October, November, December, that's when the market starts to heat up again towards the end of the quarter. So right now, yeah, September is normally like a little rocky. That we do have some little issues with September, so we definitely just keeping this on watch. Right now, we are holding above that. Where we at right now? Right now, we're fighting around this 552.40 level.
Did you take holidays?
Not really, boss. I mean, I just been working, man, trading. I didn't really even take a vacation. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I've been so more focused on just trying to, help other traders and trying to, build this community. So I've been kind of more focused on that. But I do need to take a vacay, though. You're not lying. I really do. As far as Nvidia, guys, we just need to get that break above that 108 for that push back up to 110. So let's take a look at that to see can we get that 108 break up to 110. So right now we are getting that push at 107. We haven't broke that 108 just yet. Let's try to. We're about off by a cent. There we go, 108. So let's see can we get this push back up towards this 110ish mark to see if those buyers is going to step in, give us what we need. So I'm definitely going to set it for 110 for sure. We're trying to go back up towards the upside. All right, so let me set up a bar at 110. So let's do 108. Let's give it 108.50 because that let us know that we are moving in the direction that we need the market to go. So 108.50 for sure. All right. All right, here we go, guys. So here goes Nvidia. Tesla, we got holding up above.
It will be everyday vacation when you will finish the ultimate.
Oh man, every day, I promise you. Let's see, can we get back as far as Tesla? Let's see, can we get back up that 220 mark? Because right now everything's moving on the upside right now, so everything's actually looking good right now. So we're trying to get. We need SPY to start holding this key levels too. Try to move back on up. Buyers are buying at these lows. So we need to hit that 552.50 to get the ball rocking and rolling. So right now we're at 552.20, so we got to cross 552.50 to get us back on the right path, going back up towards the upside. So let me kick up the alert with something early. So let's do 52.50. Let's do 52.50 for the push on up towards the upside. We're trying to get to that 554 mark. So I got it up. Oh, it's 52.50. Can we break it? Let's see, can these buyers break that for that push on up to 553, I'm sorry. So right now, Nvidia look like it wants to cross over that 208.50. I'm keeping that on watch. And we need to break and hold above 108.50. Look like Nvidia, look like SPY wants to get that 552.50 push. So I'm just keeping this on watch to see can we get it, because you can see kind of here, right here where we're getting, where they're fighting at, right at that 552.50 level. What's your thoughts on Nvidia play right now? Right now, I'm just trying to get that build up because we have bounced off of that. Those buyers came off of the 106, pushing up to the 108. I'm trying to see can we get that 108.50 push. We get that 108.50 push. I know they're trying to head into the direction of 110. So right now, I'm trying to see can they hold 108 to 108.50. So right now, 108 buyers are still trying to fight to hold above that key level. If we get those buyers to hold above that 108 level, we could see that possible push up to 108.50, up to 109, up to the main target that I have focus is 110. So the main right now, 108 is going to be our focus because that's what the buyers need to stay on top of. The 108 to 108.50 for the possible push to 109 to ending off with 110. So I just want to see if these buyers are going to be stepping in right now on SPY, Nvidia, and even Tesla. So right now, SPY, we have not got that 552.50 break. Nvidia, we're fighting at 108, but we need to get that 108.50 break. So I'm still keeping that on watch. So right now, buyers are stepping in, but we're not getting that full push just yet. So I'm just keeping my eyes to see if we still got that buying strength, to see if we got enough buyers stepping in today. Because I know we didn't have a lot of volume yesterday due to the holidays, the previous day. So I want to see if we have some actual buying volume stepping in today to give us that confirmation. As far as Tesla looks like it's on a bull flag setup. Trying to hold on top of what it is, 218. We mean 117.50. 117.50, I'm sorry. Yeah, 117.50. So we need to get back up to 118 for that possible push to 220. I said 118, I mean 218. I apologize. 218 up to 220. So right now, we're getting some pullback at this moment. So we are hitting some resistance at this moment. I'm short from the top. Got you, boss. I got you, Coldplay. So yeah, right now, yeah, so we're definitely getting rejected from that 552.50 level on SPY. As far as Nvidia, we didn't get that 108.50 touch. We did fall back underneath 108 though, back down to the 107.50-ish level. So still no push from these buyers just yet. We got a nice little push up, but we haven't got that continuation push towards the upside. Right now, SPY is still holding up on somewhat of this trend line still. Just want to see, can we hold even throughout these pullbacks? You see, can they hold on this trend line for that possible ascending triangle setup? So I'm definitely keeping my eyes peeled on that. So, I mean, it looks like buyers are slowly trying to step back in. So I'm just trying to see, can they give us the confirmations that we need? So right now, guys, just keeping this on watch. Nothing. Right now, I'm still waiting on this 550-250 break on SPY. I'm waiting for this reclaim of 108 to 108.50 on Nvidia, and I'm trying to see, can we hold on top of this 217.50 mark on Tesla to see, can we get that push back up to 218 to possibly 220. So right now, because like I said, Tesla look like it's on a bull flag pattern. Generous Greg, what's up, boss? How we doing? How we doing? So yeah, right now I'm definitely just watching these setups right now. I mean, right now, look like Nvidia's in somewhat of a channel right now between this, look like, because we have not crossed that 108 yet. So I'm still keeping my eye peeled to see, can we hold above 108. If we can hold above 108, we can get that possible 108.50 touch. So that's what I'm trying to watch to see, can these buyers get back on top of 108 on Nvidia, to see if these buyers are going to step in. Because we are testing 108, but we need to hold that key level. We need to close on top of it.
Generous Greg says, how's the SPY looking?
Right now, we bounced off.
Generous Greg says, pre-market tape was widely read.
Well, we actually, what was that? We just went off. Hold up. SPY. Oh, so SPY hit the 552.50 my alert, guys. 552.50. So let's see, can we hold this key level? Still trying to hold on top of that 552.50 level, guys. Right now, Nvidia buyers are trying to hold on top of 108. They need to hold 108 for their possible push up to 108.50. So right now, my alert has went off on SPY, but we have not held. It was at that 552.50 level. We have came back down from that level though. We have not held. Still keeping this on watch, guys. Still keeping this on watch. Coldplay, what we got, boss? He said VY holding strong to yeah. Right now we're getting a little weak though. Look like we're coming back. We're getting that little push. Looking at this 3-minute time frame though, Coldplay. Yeah, look like we're coming right back underneath this 551.48-ish level. You can see right here clearly we're definitely getting a nice little pullback here, where these sellers are trying to push right back underneath that key level to pretty much reverse the play back on down toward the downside.
My test link and reject.
Well, we already tested around that 552.50 level. We couldn't hold. So I'm still keeping this on watch between this 551.50 to 552.50. Almost like in this little dollar range. But look like we losing that as well. Like we about to come back down to this 551 level. Cause that's what it looked like. It looked like it's coming back down to 551. I'm gonna keep it on watch. I'm gonna definitely keep this on watch. See where we go from here around this 552.50. I'm sorry, 551.50 level. Can they hold this 551.50? If not, we will be pulling back down, guys, back to 551. If we lose that 551.50 level, we will possibly come back down to 551 and even lower. So just giving you heads up, guys. We have to hold 551.50. If we don't, we will be pulling back down to 551. So I'm definitely watching this 551.50 level to see can these buyers hold this level. Let's see. Keep this on watch, guys. Keep this on watch. See where we're gonna go. Right now, we are holding that 551.50 level. Nvidia is getting weak. We are back underneath that 108, even 107.50. So we have fallen back down to 107. So we are starting to get some slight weakness at this moment. So we have not gotten those pushed back back up towards those high areas. Nvidia, I'm sorry, SPY is still trying to hold on top of that 551.50. Trying to reclaim back up to 552. But if we do lose 551.50, do expect that we could see 551 again, guys. So keep that on watch. Still keeping us on watch, guys. Still keeping on watch. Look like Tesla's still trying to hold on top of this 217.50 back on up towards the 218. Trying to see can we get this 218.50 push back up towards up to 219. Right now, still getting a little weak on SPY still, guys. Getting a little weak still. Look like we slowly are losing 552. Buys need to hold 552 level. 552 levels where buys need to hold. 552 need to hold. If we don't hold 552, we could possibly come right back down to that 551.50 level. Right now, 552 is trying to hold. But that push back up to 552.50. So right now, 552 is holding slightly. So let's put 552.50 on the board as far as our alert. That's the area that we need to break. All right, 552.50 and above. All right. Keep my eyes on this 552 level. All right, real quick, guys, to see can we hold. Right now, we're getting it's a little bit of a battle back and forth between this 552 level, but it is starting to get a little weak. Again, if we do lose that 552 level, we could come possibly back down to 551.50, where we can start a downtrend instead of the continuation uptrend. So instead of going up this way, we could actually be coming down this way if these buyers are not stepping in, but we could reverse the play back on down towards a downtrend versus an uptrend, or we could just go sideways. So we're gonna keep our eyes peeled on this to see where this market wants to go. Because right now we did get some upside movements from that 550 level, ran all the way on up to close to 553, where we did get rejected and came back on down. So we know where the actual tops is at around these key levels. So let me put an actual marking on that. What was this high on this candle? Opening was 552.50. Was it 552.54? Yeah, 552.54. So let's put that to 552.54. We got stuffed at right in this little area here. This is right here where we got stuffed at. Still no gold, still nothing yet. We are pushing on Tesla though, guys. Tesla, we are up to 119. I do have a target set for 220, guys. 220 is gonna be the first startup. So I do have my set for that. Waiting to see can we reclaim that 108 on Nvidia for that possible push to 108.50. For Tesla for sure, we want to see that 220 touch. So right now we are definitely trying to push it back up to 119 for the possible touch to the 120. I'm sorry, 220. So right now, look like we are starting to slowly curl back on down, guys. As I was stating, back down possibly if we lose 552. We could pull right back down to that 551.50 level. You can see right here, we are starting to pull back on SPY back down to 551.50. Right now, still no go on Nvidia. We still haven't crossed over that 108 yet. And 108, we still have not completed that mission of holding that key level. Still just keep it on watch, guys. Still keep it on watch. Still fighting around this 52 level, guys. So no complete breakout and no complete crack yet. So we're kind of like still going sideways right now. We are definitely trying to get this push back on up towards this 552.50 level. So definitely keep my eyes peeled to see if these buys are stepping in. Here we go. Here we go. All right. So we got the 552.50 level. So we gotta break it though. We hit it, but we need to hold that key level. See, every time we hit that 552.50 level, you get a little pullback, but we need to break that 552.50 level to give us that push to 553. So right now, here we go pushing, guys. Here we go pushing. Here we go. Here we go. So let's see, can we get that push up to 553? Break out of this 552.50 level. We got Tesla. Tesla got that 220, guys. 220. 220 on Tesla. We called it. 220 on Tesla. 220 on Tesla. 220 on Tesla, guys. Right at my line. Right at my mark. 220. 220. Tesla. Tesla. So we got the alerts on both. We got the alerts on SPY and we have the alerts on Tesla on both plays, guys. Both plays. Both plays. Now we're getting that push up to that possible 553 push, guys. 553 push. Let's see, can we go for 553.50? Because we got to see if these buys are going to step up to the plate to give us what we need. So right now, everything is moving on the upside. Still so far, so good. So keep your eyes posted, guys. Keep your eyes peeled on these plays. Let me see, just to see if these buys are going to continuously step in towards up to this 554 mark. So let me see, can we? So I'm going to set a target to these two locations to see can these buys give us what we need on the upside as far as. And once we do get that 553 push, can we get the 553.50 up to 554? Let's see if these buys can prove to us that they can get back up towards these high levels, guys. Just trying to see if they're going to hold this key level, guys. Can we hold above this 552.50 level for the possible push back up to 553? So I'm just keeping this on watch to see how much room we have left to still keep going. So right now we're still holding an uptrend on a 30-minute time frame. So let me go ahead and set somewhat of an uptrend on a 3-minute time frame. See, can we kind of get almost the same possible results towards the upside? So I want to see, can we just get this continuation climb? This is a 3-minute, this is a 30-minute. 30 minutes holding up still pretty well, even though you still got room to come back down to the trend line. But everything's still moving on the upside right now. Nvidia is crossing over that 108, guys. We want to see that 108.50 push for that possible 109 or 110 push. So right now, Tesla has definitely hit my target, guys. 220 right on the dot too. So shout out to my 220. Shout out to my calls who wrote that up to 220. So right now it's definitely looking good at this moment. So we have touched 220 on my on Tesla. Still waiting to see if we get my target hit on Nvidia. So right now we're definitely pushing on Nvidia. We're definitely pushing on Nvidia. I got my first test at that 108.50. Here we go. 108.50. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So 108.50, we got that. We got that on Nvidia. So right now we're definitely looking good, guys. Definitely looking good. Oh man, we definitely looking good, boss. We're calling these babies left and right. We're calling these bad boys left and right. Let's knock it out the park. Knock it out the park. Let's get it. Let's get it. So far so good. So my main target is around 110. I want to see if these buys gonna keep pushing to that 110 location. Let's see, let's go ahead and set one up for Tesla at 122 if we can continuously keep this push. So we're gonna give it 122. We're gonna give it to 122. So let's see. On as far as these bad boys are slowly grinding. So we're gonna give that. We're gonna give it up to 121.50 to 122. So we're gonna let's set two targets for Tesla. Let's see, can we get that push that we need? So we're gonna go for 121.50 push. 121.50 push. Ah, come on. Oh, here we go. 21.50.
Generous Greg says, everything red and SPY decides to go green LOL. Generous Greg says, manipulation at its finest.
Yeah, right now, I mean, like we slowly starting getting like this bottom right here. I mean, we're starting to slowly move towards the upside. So right now, I'm just keeping this on watch to see, because it looked like I mean, we could treat this almost like somewhat of a channel magnet where you fall out of a channel and you return back to a channel. So if that's the case, if that's what the market is trying to return back to, and we do have room to go back up towards this 555-ish level that'll put us back in this little channel. So if that's the intended play for SPY, you know, where we leave out of a channel and return back into a channel, then we can expect way more push from the 554 basically back up to the 555 if we're trying to return back into this channel play. Right now, I'm still keeping this on watch. We just need to get back on top of this 220 as far as Tesla. We need to stay on top of 108.50 for as far as Nvidia. We need to definitely stay on top of that 103 to 103.50 push. So we definitely want to keep our eyes peeled on SPY. What's up, Night Trader? What's up, boss? Coldplay, how you holding up on your end, boss? How we looking? How we looking on your end? Yeah, I know, boss. But I mean, right now, I mean, we definitely are slowly reversing. Also, Generous, look at this. If you notice that the red indicator, as I'm always talking about, look at your orange and look at your blue. That's pretty much setting up a indicator crossover back up towards the upside. What's up, Marty? What's up, boss? So if you notice right here, this is what happens when you get those indicator crossovers towards the upside. So if we could get that 9 EMA to cross back above that 50, kind of like right here, for example. Right here, for example. So you see how that 50 right here came down, the 50 SMA, and then you had your 9 EMA and your 20 EMA cross right back above. What did you get? You got an uptrend, right? Because you got an indicator crossover towards the upside, because you got that 50 low enough to come down to a certain area and hold to where the 9 and the 20 can cross right back above it, and you go back up towards the upside. So if we look at it for today, look at where your indicator is at now. Your 50 has dragged all the way down for enough room for that 9 and that 20 to cross back up towards the upside, thus giving you an uptrend setup. So right now, that's why I said I think we can see more upside than downside right now, because we could be getting that indicated crossover where we have that 9 and that 20 both crossing that 50 towards the upside. So that's why I'm calling it out that we may see some more higher prices, boss. So that's why I think we may see up to 554 to possibly 555. So definitely keep my eyes peeled on there for that possible indicated crossover towards the upside. So we may be getting it today, so keep your eyes peeled. Alright, guys, let me keep this on watch. Guys, let me go ahead and run and fix me something to drink real quick, guys. I'm gonna keep everything on watch. Just keep, like I said, I got 2 targets set right now. I got 2 targets. One target set at 553.50 and for 554. Keeping it on watch. As far as Nvidia, looking for that 109 or 109.50 to that possible 110 touch. As far as Tesla, we are looking for that 221.50 to 222 mark. So definitely keep this on watch. Let me run and get something to drink real quick. I'm gonna keep everything on watch. I do have my target set and ready for 553.50 and also 554 for SPY. So keep that on watch. I'll be right back, guys. Thank you for your time. And if you are enjoying the content, guys, do keep that in mind. Like I said, if you love everything, you enjoy the content, do your boy a favor. Please do me a favor, because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm trying to get a partner with YouTube, and I'm also trying to get partnered with Twitch. So I definitely would need you guys' help. So smash the like button, follow, share, comment, give subs, whatever you need to do, guys, to contribute. And I'm gonna be totally grateful for everything that you do, because I'm gonna continuously keep trying to put money in you guys' pockets, trying to get you away from a 9 to 5 as much as possible. So I'll be right back. But look like one of my targets is about to hit, guys, around at 553.50. Definitely keep that on watch for SPY. And let's see, what can we do for, let's do, before I go run and do this, let's do 109 to 109.50 possible. Matter of fact, let's do 109.50. Let's do 109.50 for the next, we're gonna just add that into the mix. All right, cool. So we got 2 targets set. All right, here we go. So I got my 2 targets set on spot, and I got my 2 targets set on Nvidia. So I'm gonna be right back, guys. Thank you for everything. If y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, do feel free to reach out to my mods who are doing an amazing job and everything. Marty, don't start. Well, shout out to the old Marty, man. That's my guy there. But guys, I will be right back. Let me fix me something to drink real quick, and we're gonna keep it rocking and rolling, guys. And we're gonna continuously keep making this money. You know what we do? Try to put money in you guys' pockets. Let's go, man. But shout out to everybody who have been banking so far. So let me give y'all love. So y'all already know what time it is. Boom. So yeah, guys, I'll be right back. Let me fix something to drink real quick so I can get everything rocking and rolling with you guys, and we will continue. Let's go. I'm back, guys. So what triggered? What hit? I went. Which one of my alerts? Oh, so the 553.50 hit.
Marty's Elizniak says, drop some likes, guys and gals.
Man, thanks so much, Marty. Appreciate you, boss. Appreciate you for that, man. Thank you so much. I'm thinking, like I said, engineer, I'm thinking that it's trying to go back into this channel, really. Like that channel magnet, you leave out of that channel, return to a channel. So I'm thinking possibly that's where it's trying to go back to, like towards this little old area here. That it's trying to go back into this old little channeling spot. That's what it looked like it wants to go. What was this bottom at? It was this open? 554.88. 554.88. Let me see. Move down a little bit. 554. Oops. 554.88. 554.88. All right. Yeah. So like someone in this little channel that we had yesterday, like trying to get right back into this little channel possibly. So it looks like that was aiming for. Stay in this little channel for the possible break, push back on up. So I'm keeping my eyes peeled on this to see can these buys get back to these levels. So that's why I'm just watching because the trend line is still going up. Still got this trend line still holding. So I'm just keeping my eyes peeled because you still got room to kind of rotate back and forth as long as you hold that trend line. So do expect a little pullback here and there, but look like overall we're getting like a lot more buyers stepping in versus sellers. Because even with the volume candle that we have two volume buying candles versus that one. So right now it does look more bullish in a sense. So I'm still keeping my eyes peeled. Look at Nvidia still holding on up. Tesla just needs to get that break above that 220 level. So I said between 554.50 to 555. I say somewhere in that bracket, getting to those levels. Because we already tipped off one, which was my 553.50. We hit that already. We just didn't go all the way up to 554 yet. So I'm just still keeping my eyes peeled on this. Let's see where we can go to see if we're going to get that. Because the indicators hasn't crossed over just yet. It's like they lining up with each other between the 50 and the 9 right now. So we haven't got that complete crossover just yet. Right here, you can kind of see that they're touching. So that's where you got that squeeze. So right here, I just want to see if we're going to get that complete crossover. We get that 9 to actually cross over that 50, and we get that 20 to cross over that 50. Therefore, we can start seeing more upside going. Because right now, I mean, definitely expect some possible pullback because we have gotten overextended off of the VWAP, but we have got overextended off of the 9 and that 50 right here, these two key levels. So you still have room to fall back down to these levels if we do pull back because we are hitting around some strong resistant areas without any assistance at the moment. We have no assistance from the VWAP because the VWAP is way down here, and we have no assistance from the 50 nor the 9 because they're way down here. So do expect some pullback or some possible channeling around this key level at this moment until either the indicator moves up, where we can basically hold a floor for the possible move back on up towards the upside, or we could be just channeling for the moment. So do expect a little bit of pullback to occur. So I'm gonna let you guys know, do expect some pullback to occur because you have no assistance at the moment. You have no assistance towards these areas. We have no indicators. We have nothing at the moment. So that's why we're getting that little pullback because you are getting overextended off of those indicators right now, and it's coming back down towards those areas like a magnet. So definitely keep your eyes peeled on that for a little bit of pullback to occur. Loliano, what's up, boss? Good morning to you, man. Good morning to you. We're definitely just keeping this on watch to see what these buys gonna hold. Right now, I'm just watching certain key levels. The main area that we definitely had to get back on as far as spies, back on top of that 553.50 level because we're trying to get back up to 554. Active, what's up, boss? Active trader, man. Like I said, another fellow trader of mine, man, like my father figure, who does great breakdowns, who taught me a lot. So shout out to Active too for putting me on the right track as far as being a great trader, man. So shout out to Active, man. Thank you so much for everything you do, boss. Appreciate you. Nothing much, boss. Nothing much, man. Nothing much going on at this moment. Just trying to get everything knocked out, see when we're going from here. So right now, I'm definitely just watching this. Yeah, definitely watching this uptrend right now, just to see if these buys gonna continuously hold. Right now, Nvidia is definitely getting that push. I do have two targets set, guys. I have one at 109.50, and I have one set for 110. So I do have two targets set for Nvidia, guys. As long as we hold at 109 level, I do have 109.50 to that 110 target area. So I'll definitely keep my eyes peeled on that. As far as SPY, I definitely want to see us hold back on top of the 553.50 up to 554. As far as Tesla, I definitely want to see us get back on top of 220 for that 221.50 push up to 222. So if these buys are still here, like I said, right now we're still moving on the upside. Everything is still like on this uptrend type setup. So right now everything's still looking bullish at the moment. So right now, ride the wave. We are coming off of these lows right here. We are moving back up towards the upside. I still think that what SPY's trying to do is SPY's still trying to get right back into this little channel, almost like a channel magnet. You leave from out of a channel, you return back into a channel. So that's what I'm thinking that the game plan for SPY is once you fall out of that channel, now it's going to try to reverse right back into this channel. So I'm going to keep my eyes peeled to see if that's what the game plan is for SPY. Because right now, it's definitely still moving up. We're definitely still looking good. We're definitely not too far. We're still inching closer and closer to trying to get back into this channel setup here. So I'm definitely keeping my eyes peeled on that. Still keeping on watch, guys. Still keeping us on watch. Right now, Nvidia is where we at. Right now, we're getting closer and closer towards that target, guys. 109.50. Getting closer and closer towards that 109.50 touch. Because right now, we're about 20 cents away from that key level. Still keep my eyes peeled, guys. Still keep my eyes peeled. Here we go. Nvidia, guys. Nvidia and Tesla. I'm sorry, SPY. So look like Nvidia's about to hit one of my targets, guys. 109.50. 109.50, guys. We almost about to touch that key level as well as SPY. So I'm definitely keep my eyes peeled on this real quick, guys. See, can we get that touch? Can we get that 109.50 hit? We inching closer to it. We about there. We about there, guys. We're about there. Nvidia. We're close to it. We haven't broken it yet. We haven't touched it yet. We got like right to it. Right to it. Right where I got my target at. Same as SPY. We haven't touched it yet either. So right now I'm watching the video. I mean, we like right there. Like right by it. We almost there, guys. Almost there. Like, I mean, we like inching closer and closer towards that mark. I'm trying to see. I want to see it hit it. We like 10 cents away from it. 10 cents, 8 cents, 7 cents. Guys, we like right there at my target. We like right there at my target. Up 3 cents, 1 cent. Let's see. Nvidia, can we get that alert? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. 109.50, guys. I got 50 cents away from my next target. So right now, Nvidia looking good, guys. Nvidia looking good so far. So we call that 50 cents away from my other target, which is 110. So right now, looking good. It's looking good. So far, so good. Keep this on watch, guys. We still haven't hit that other target on my SPY just yet. We are getting closer, though. Only about 40 cents away from touching that target on SPY. Nvidia, we just need to get back on top of that 109.50 level. Right now we're at 109.50, guys. Pushing up to almost close to 109.60, only almost 40 cents away from that target. As far as Nvidia, as far as SPY, we're only 30 cents away from that target. 40 cents away on Nvidia. I'm touching both of my targets again, guys. Like I told you, I just feel like it wants to do this channel magnet when we go back into this channel. So right now we're 20 cents away on SPY, guys. 20 cents away. 20 cents away. They both aiming for my targets, guys. Both aiming for my targets. Both aiming for my targets. We right there on Nvidia and we right here on SPY. Which one's gonna hit first? SPY's a little, well, they're kind of like neck and neck. Well, no, SPY's getting closer because we're only 20 cents away. Now look, SPY, I'm looking at Nvidia. Nvidia about to see Nvidia's like right behind it. So one of these two about to trigger off the alert. You know, either gonna be SPY, it's gonna either be Nvidia. One of the two, because Nvidia's coming. Nvidia's creeping. SPY's closer though, guys. We're about 4 cents away, 3 cents away. We like right there at 554. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Called it. Told you. Told you guys. If SPY went off. SPY would hit 554. Called it. Called it. 554. 554, guys. 554. Has touched my target. 554. Let's see. Let me see if this is what they're trying to do. If they're trying to get right back into this channel. So let me put a target at the right of that 554.88. So let me see if that's what they're trying to do. Is trying to get right back into that channel. channel magnet. So let's take a look at this real quick. Let's check it out. All right, set up alert here. All right, right at that 554.88. So that's if we do break and get inside that, that's exactly what they're doing, trying to get back in that channel. So definitely keep this on watch. Definitely keep it on watch. I still got my video target set, my video alert set. Nvidia, guys, let me see. Can we get that 110 touch, guys? Can we get that 110 touch? Can we get that 110 touch? We only about close to almost 20 cents away from that key mark. So right now, keeping us on watch, guys. Keeping us on watch. Have you any trades? Not today, boss, because I was still waiting for my money to settle, man. I still been sitting here waiting on it to settle. It's showing my stock buying power I have in my liquid, but it's like in my options, it's still waiting. I'm waiting on it to settle, Green Day. So that's what I've been waiting on. So it should reset either tomorrow or Friday. I just been waiting on my everything to settle so I can jump back in it. Because I'm using my margin account and I'm using my cash account. So while I'm waiting, waiting on mine, that's why I've been calling it out for you guys to make sure you guys trade. Because, I mean, I'll be all right. But it's all about, putting money in you guys' pockets. So just because I can't trade, I'm not going to stop your trade. I'm right close to it. I'm at 23. Yeah, I'm about 2,000 away. So all I got to do is just make $2,000. And again, that'll put it up to 25. But right now, yeah, I'm just waiting on everything to settle. So it should be resetting either tomorrow or Friday, Green Days, and then I'll be able to try to finish knocking this out. Cause you know me, I don't really trade every day anyway. I waited for the right setups, then I go for it. Cause like especially between yesterday and today, I mean you had a downtrend today, you got an uptrend today. So you're going from one pattern to the next. I mean these were perfect opportunities. This is why I was calling this. This is why I was calling these plays out to you guys from a downtrend now into an uptrend when you're going from like a red to green move. So, I mean, you're pretty much solid on both ends right now from a down, from catching the downside to now the upside. So that's why I'm just keeping this on watch because I got my target. I got another target set at 554.88 because that'll be that little channel that we fell out of from yesterday right here. We tried to hold and we fell right out of it, trying to go right back into it. So it looked like that's what the market is trying to do today. It's trying to create a channel magnet where you leave from a channel and you return back into a channel. So that's what it looked like. It looked like a channel setup, channel magnet setup. So I do have a target set for 554.88 to see can we get that break back in towards that 555 because that'll let us know that we're trying to go back into this channel. And Nvidia is close to it. I mean, look, boom. Here we go. Let's see can we get that 110 hit. I think I got two of them on. I got two of them set on Tesla as well. Yep, I got 2150 on that one to up to 22. I got 110 on this one, so we're about 5 cents away from hitting it. We're about 5 cents away from hitting that target of 110. We about 4 cents, 3 cents, 5 cents. It's like literally sitting right here. It's like right here waiting on that push. It's like right there, guys. I'm just waiting on it. You want to see if it's gonna hit my target? I mean, it literally hit like right underneath my my alert. It's like 8 cents off from it. About 5 cents, 4 cents. Still haven't hit it yet. Still no push up. I mean, still no up. 3 cents. 2 cents. It's like right there. 2 cents. Still watching it. Still haven't broken it yet. It's like right at it. 2 cents. 1 cent. Mart, I swear you jinxed me with that 99 crap. I swear to goodness. You catch me with that 99 bull crap. Tesla's back on the run. Come on, Nvidia. You're like a cent off. Like literally right at my target. Marty, I think you got me with that 99 cent bull crap, boss. I think you caught me. It was like what, 99? Yep, 109.99. 1 cent off. Thanks, Marty. Jinxed me with that bull crap. Yep, that was the high. The high was 109.99. Missed it by a cent. That's crazy. 1 cent. 1 cent off. That's crazy. One cent and missed me. We got left on this candle. We still got 30 minutes. So yeah, we definitely getting a little pullback now, yo. Definitely getting overextended. Like I said, we missed it off by a penny. It was 109.99. It didn't hit the 110 exactly. It was off by 1 penny. 1 penny off. Still keeping on watch, guys, to see where it goes. I mean, you still got like this bull flag like setup. So yeah, we're gonna get a little pullback. So you're gonna get the little red candle because you already got the engulfing green candle followed by the small red candle because it might be setting itself up for a possible bull flag pattern when we do break above that 110 level. So I'm definitely keeping this on watch on that note. 220 we're still holding top of on Tesla. Keeping that on watch. As far as Nvidia, we just gotta get back above that 153. Well, as long as we hold 153.50, hold that 153.50 level to get us that push back up to that 554 level. Because right now we're like right here. Try to get back above 554. What was this? What was the highs? 543. Engineer, what was the price you called? You said what? You said 36. What was it? 43. You was close. For the high, hey, I give it to you. Hey, I give it to you. You was close on that call. I give it to you. Let me see. Let me give you a shout out. Shout out to Engineer. Calling that. Shout out to Engineer for that. Yeah, I mean, because I remember what you said. Can you explain overextended how you know? Well, I mean, you got to think about it, Engineer. It's like I told you. You have to think about your indicators as a vehicle, right? As it's like if you're trying to go into a brick wall, which is the resistance. What would you need to do to break the brick wall? Is it your body or is it the car? Because again, you already know the results if you run into a brick wall versus the results of running into a brick wall with a car because you have protection, right? See, though, the VWAP in your indicators are protection because that's what's giving you a floor. That's what's giving you a possible opportunity to squeeze. But it's like you're jumping out of your car here to try to run into a brick wall, which is just your body alone. See, the results what happen is because you have no help. You don't have no push. You have no floor. That's why, because you've noticed, the minute you leave the VWAP or even those indicators, you're kind of pretty much floating in midair. You're floating. You don't have no actual support to hold you up right now. So when you do start to pull back, where is it coming down to? See right here? VWAP, non-MA. Look how when we pull back here, it bounced right back on up because you had a floor. See here, you have no floor. You have a gap between the VWAP and right where that candle was at. So look at this gap right here in between the two. Look at the gap in between the candle and look at the gap right here where the VWAP and the 9 is. So you have nothing in between. It's just flow. It's just nothing but like a gap space, pretty much. So all you did was just complete somewhat of a gap fill down, and then you went right back on up. I'm still watching this Nvidia. Still watching this Nvidia setup to see can we get that possible push. Still watching this. Still keeping this on watch, guys. Still keeping this on watch because right now we still haven't got like a major pullback. They're still holding. Even throughout the pullback, they're still holding. Nvidia still holding. SPY still holding. Still at this moment, momentarily. We just got to get back on top of 554 to 554.50. Right now, Nvidia just need to hold on top of 109.50. As far as Tesla, we need to get back on top of 220.50, but it pushed back up to 221. So right now, we are holding at this level, this floor level, 220. So we have got some type of support on Tesla momentarily around this 220-ish mark, because we're now out of the teen price bracket, now back into the 20s. So we're back on top of that. Alright, still getting a pullback right now, guys. Still getting a pullback. So still nothing yet. Still having because like I said, remember I told you guys we're on an uptrend. So you gotta remember we do have room to basically wiggle around back and forth. So we still got a lot of wiggle room to move back and forth. But as long as that trend line holds, well, I mean, we're still good as long as we stay on top of this purple trend line towards the upside. So of course we're gonna get some pullbacks here and there. You're gonna have some sellers sitting around that 554 level because that is a new price bracket. You're going from 553s now to the 554, which is a now natural support and resistance area. So right now being underneath it is gonna be a natural resistance. Pulling back down to 109 on Nvidia, guys. Pulling back down to Nvidia 109. Pulling back down to 553 on SPY. Because you remember what I told you guys, that once you get overextended off that VWAP, those indicators, you'll start to slowly pull back down to them like a magnet because you're getting overextended. So therefore, it needs that assistance to keep going. So you have to return back slightly towards that area we can have some type of flooring to utilize the bounce on top of. Same thing with Nvidia. Nvidia, you're way overextended off of the 9MA and the 20, where you'll have like this big gap fill in between the two. So unless we can get those indicators to move up more, that'll give you that 108 bounce. Yeah, King Kong, like I said, we're slowly getting that pullback because, like I said, what we're doing is returning back to those indicators in that VWAP because you're getting overextended. So that's why you're getting that pullback. Because you remember I told you, you got to treat those indicators and those VWAPs like a magnet. You leave from it, you return to it. It don't matter whether it's on the upside or the downside. So definitely get this little pullback. So I'm just trying to see exactly what we're gonna. Like I said, we got the VWAP laying around that 5. What is this? 554. I'm sorry, 552. So between this 552.50 to 552 level, we could see some type of area where they could try to find some type of support. So definitely gonna keep this on watch. Because right now, I mean, Nvidia still look like a bull flag pattern in a sense. You still got that engulfing green candle followed by that small red candle. So you do have somewhat of a bullish a bull flag pattern still setting up on that note. Tesla is still holding up on top of 220. All right, just keeping this on watch, guys. Keeping this on watch to see these key levels, to see if they're gonna hold up. That's all I'm doing right now. Keeping these on watch. Let's see. What time it is? What time it is? Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna just keep this on watch right now. Let me see. Let me see. My son's mom is hitting me up to pick up for lunch. So I'm gonna be leaving in a few minutes, guys, to go meet her. So I'm gonna take a quick lunch break, but I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna come in back in early because she's need to get picked up for lunch. So I'm gonna be heading that way. So I'm gonna leave everything up and running. So if this is good with you guys, I'm gonna leave it here and I'm gonna go run and go pick her up real quick, and I'll be right back. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my lunch break. I'm gonna go ahead and keep everything set up for the moment, momentarily. So keep this in mind. We're gonna definitely keep watching these key areas, this 554 level. We need to see that rebreak of 554 back up to this 554.88 that'll put us back into this channel. We definitely want to see that rebreak of 110 on Nvidia. What I have a target set for Tesla is that 222. So we need to get back up to 221, 221.50 up to 222 level. So we're going to definitely keep this on watch. But we are pulling back on SPY momentarily, guys. We are pulling back. We are starting to crack this little. We are testing this trend line right here on this 3-minute time frame. But the time frame, I'm sorry, with the trend line that's on the 3-minute is different from the trend line on the 30-minute. So the 30-minute, you still got a lot of room to still kind of wiggle around way down here in these low key areas. Right here is a little bit different on the 3-minute time frame than the 30-minute time frame. So keep this on watch. But yeah, guys, I will return shortly. I just have to go run and get her for her lunch, and I'll be right back, guys. Again, thank y'all for everything. We're gonna definitely keep this rocking and rolling. I'm gonna keep the live and everything up. If y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, do feel free to reach out to my mods, and we're gonna keep it rocking and rolling for here. So I'll be going to pick her up, and I'll be right back, guys. So thank you so much, and I hope everybody have a blessed lunch too. So I'll be right back. Appreciate you.
OJ Rim says.